From the southern island of Japan, Kyushu, to the tropical beauty of Okinawa, a world of nature and culture awaits. In Oita, relax in Japan's most famous hot springs. Surrounded by mountains and steam rising into the sky, it's the perfect place to slow down and recharge. Miyazaki offers endless sunshine, dramatic coastlines, and legendary surf spots. Here, ancient myths meet laid-back beach culture. In Kagoshima, feel the power of nature. With an active volcano rising from the sea, rich local food, and warm hospitality, it's an unforgettable adventure. And then there's Okinawa, crystal clear waters, coral reefs, and a unique island culture shaped by the ocean. A true paradise for divers, families, and free spirits. Closer than you think, and unlike anywhere else. Discover southern Japan, where nature, culture, and relaxation come together. Enjoy Japan at www.sakuratv.com.